Deep within the beating heart of South America, lies a world unlike any other. A realm of eternal mist, endless rain, and a pulse that never stops. This is the Amazon rainforest, the largest and most powerful living system on Earth. It breathes, it speaks, it hunts, and it hides creatures that seem to be born from dreams and nightmares. Every dawn in the Amazon begins with a chorus, millions of voices rising from 390 billion trees. Home to 1 in every 10 known species on Earth, this forest is the planet's most complex orchestra of life. Yet, beneath this beauty lies a silent war, a daily struggle for survival. Above the forest floor, life takes to the sky. The macaws, painted with every color of the rainbow, form lifelong bonds, calling out with voices that echo through eternity. And then, there are the howler monkeys. Their cries travel 3 miles, shaking the jungle awake each dawn. To the Amazon, sound is survival. Silence is death. Flowing like veins through the forest are the rivers of life, but also rivers of danger. Here swims the black caiman, a prehistoric hunter that can grow up to 6 meters long. And in these murky waters lurks a legend, the anaconda, the heaviest snake on Earth. It waits motionless, patient, then strikes with the force of a tidal wave. There are no screams here, only bubbles and silence. Yet, not all is fear beneath the surface. The Amazon River dolphin, pale pink and mysterious, dances through the depths like a ghost. Local tribes believe these dolphins can take human form, enchanting hearts, then vanishing with the morning mist. The Amazon, the most powerful stories belong to the smallest lives. Leafcutter ants march in armies, carrying their weight 50 times over, tiny farmers shaping the forest itself. Poison dart frogs, shimmering with impossible colors, hold enough toxin to stop a predator in its tracks. And yet, in this world of beauty and danger, balance is everything. Every life, no matter how small, holds the key to another's survival. As darkness falls, the forest awakens once more. But this time, it belongs to the unseen. The ocelot prowls. Vampire bats take flight. The air grows still, but listen closely. The Amazon never sleeps. Each minute, this rainforest loses tree homes of creatures that may vanish forever. The Amazon gives us 1/5 of the world's oxygen, yet, we are taking away its breath. But there is hope, because as long as there are those who protect, the forest can heal. The Amazon is not just a place. It is life itself, ancient, untamed, and eternal.